Hey everyone, this is Arun, and today in this video, I'm discussing about the soccer football dashboard that I've created using Excel functions and formulas and graphs. So here, this dashboard is just creates the dashboard using the data that we have feeded in the data entry sheet. So basically, this provides us the information in Excel table and graphs by the details of whatever details we are providing in the data entry sheet. So just if we are playing or if we are playing a friendly matches or something like that, so it's an easy way of keeping tracking of all that information that we have fed in the player's data. So here in this dashboard we have a player, then the games played, and then the goals that they have achieved. So this is an automated, and we have the formulas put here. Then this is the preseason summary, the played wins. They all are automated, and the data is coming from the actual friendly data sheet. Then we have the teams here in green, orange, blue, and purple. We have the played, win, draw, loss, then goal scored. These all are the matrices that I've created and they all are automated. Now we have a summary as well. This is a bar charts. So player wise summary. We have the games played and the goals achieved here. Then the results by league color. So when we have wins, draws, losses for the team wise, and here this one is our dashboard. Now how data is fed here? We can feed the data in the actual friendly data sheet where we have the date on the top row, the first row. We can add the dates over here, and once we put the date, then we have the functionality of adding the teams. So currently I have added green color, then orange, blue, and then we have a possibility of having, we can put the purple as well. And now here we can just put the player names. And these columns refers that who played on that particular day. So let's say the player name Jace, Jack, Blind, they all played over here. So we just put the one over here and we put the one over here. We can on the count section, the number increases or decreases. So I'm just putting, I'm deleting that line column for that cell. Then we have the count appearing as 11. Then similarly for this green, and then the orange one, and then similarly for the blue one. The UFC goals and Oppo goals is just the goals that they have created. So we can just put our inputs over here because it's on the day that the teams have played. So we can put uh, these figures as manually here, and then we have the result. So we can just put that result as well as an who win. Maybe the match is drawn, loss, or win. So we can just put over here the result. And once we put the results for each matches, then we have the overall preseason summary. So this table provides us the information of how many played games, then the win. We have the formula added here, then the number of players who win. Sorry, the teams that have been win, then draws, losses. They all are automated. So this table is automatically generated once we fill on this whole data. Then on the below side of this tab, we have the pre-season sprint testing as well. So we can put the date over here, and we have three sets. And against the player names, we can just put this player is 7.72 seconds he has taken in the set 1, then in set 2 he has taken this much of seconds, and then set 3 they have taken this much of seconds. So this column provides us the average of all three. So we have the average generated automatically. We have used the formula over here. Then similarly, we can put the set, the different players for that different date, the similar way that we have created for sprint testing on this table. So I have used three tables for inputting the data. And once we input the data, we have another table which provides us the average, the best time taken, and then the slowest one against each player. So this table is generated automatically. You can see here the formulas we have put. So this table is generated automatically. Now again we have the overall for every team, that is green, orange, blue, and purple. So this table also provides us the information of number of games played, wins, draws, losses, goals against, and goals scored, the difference of goals, everything. So this table is also gets generated automatically. We have used the formulas. So once we fill on the information over here in these rows against each players, we will get the table generated automatically. And this dashboard, as I told you earlier, this also gets generated automatically. Every table and every information summary for the preseason and the team wise records, they are generated automatically. Now again, I have created one more tab which is actual game data. So what this tab doing is we have another actual game where we can input the team wise rounds. So here we can, on the top of it, we can put the date. Then we have on the row 2, we have the rounds name. So we can put round 1, round 2, round 3. I have created till 21 rounds. Rounds, and I hope this is sufficient. And we have used two teams here on the actual game, which is orange and green. And upon the customizations, we can amend that one as well. So here, this one is our teams. Then we have the players as well. I kept some lines here as blanks because in future if we can have more players, so we can just write down their names, and then the goals, the score here. So here we can see we just put the scores as manually. I typed in 50 50 50 till here, and then we have the total column which is on X. So this column is also generating the total of every players automatically. I have used Excel formulas over here. And then this one is our game average, which provides us the average of the number of games that they have played. So this is the average because we have just put it 50 50 50 12 times here. So the average is gets 50 and the sum is getting 600. So this is for the actual game data that we are making the entry for each players. Now again, this one is similar that we have used in the actual friendly data sheet. And here we have the individual awards table as well. So against each player, we have MOTM, then POTD, goals scored, and the number of points. Where we just put 3 and 1 over here, and the points is automatically gets calculated using Excel formulas. Um, we can just put, let's say we are adding 5 points or 3 points or 2 points. We can just put over here, and this is the base points, and this is the calculation for each points for against every player. Now this one is our actual data. Now this dashboard is the actual game dashboard from the actual game data that we have created earlier. And this table also gets generated automatically, where we have the player names, then the games played, awards points table, and the goals. This one is our season summary. Then because we have two leagues, green and orange, so this table also gets generated automatically. We have used the Excel formulas over here. And this one, this table, the player average minutes, this table provides us the information of the average minutes and total minutes that we have created over here. So it's the same, but we are providing the information here. And then this one is our summary chart. This summary chart provides us the games played, which is in blue color. Then we have the awards point and goals against each player. So 18 is the games number of games he has played, the Jays, and 4 award points he has currently, and then he has made 2 goals. So the green color provides us the goal summary. This is the pie chart which shows the count, wins and draws, losses as well. So this is the summary chart, and we have also created a round table. I've used some drop downs, and we can just select the drop downs and put the information for every round, 0 to 10 minutes, then 10 to 20 minutes. And then this table is the count that have been we are inputting over here. Again, we have the leagues as well. So maybe maybe we have many leagues, so we can just enter the leagues team by score here on column F. We have approximately around 22 rounds entered here, and it's very easy. We can just put our score here for every round, and that score will automatically pulled over here. So the points on column AC will get generated automatically. We can just input the won, draws and losses here against the rounds, and the team, we can put the team here. Then this table, we can just point them. So this one is our leagues table. So I think that's the soccer dashboard that I've created, the football dashboard. So if you need any help for any tab, or if you are looking to create a similar kind of dashboard for your games, or maybe you need some customizations in this Excel file, or you may require this Excel file as a reference part, you can reach me out. I'm sharing my contact details, which is WhatsApp and email address, in the description part of this video, and you can just call me or text me on WhatsApp or email me. I will be available during my daytimes, so I will be messaging you as well for your queries. And I hope you like this Excel dashboard. using the formulas and functions and the graphs that I've created. So do subscribe me for future videos, and hit me up you like this video. So thanks for watching this video, and take care. Have a great day. Bye.